insane. Wait. Oh, it's already on video.
Yeah. I want to rape you. Hi. This is how AJ attracts little boys.
Fuck you.
Don't trust this bitch. He's a rapist. He's raping me! He's making me suck his dick! Ah!
Let's suck this pussy.
Oh! Yeah, that's the spot. This thing's fun. I fuck cops.
Oh my god, we really have nothing else to do.
You make me touch your hands for stupid reasons.
Like, shake a leg. Like you like this? Girls gone wild. Mom, you proud of me? Enough fun.
That was the best part. Hi.
You're looking at me. Touch me. Touch me.
I'm being raped. What the hell, AJ? What did he teach her? She just raped me.
I have to rape people.
Okay.
I hate myself. I want to die.
She's like, I want to die.
I want to die.